freshly painted finish start finish line. Oh yeah. What's up everybody? Jason from Kart Smart TV. Today we are going to bring you a little different, let's say, gear change. We're not going to get away from golf cart talking, but I've come somewhere special to our hometown, and we're just going to check out some of the golf carts that our racetrack uses and the maintenance crew, and just check them, just check everybody's out. I got limited access right now to check out some of the race car drivers carts that they use somewhat around here, but I was informed that they don't use them very often here, so that's kind of a cool little insight from one of the guys I talked to earlier. But give me a minute and let me get this truck parked, and we're gonna take a walk around this racetrack. So here we are on the Richard Petty Tower side of the racetrack, which is front stretch. See the maintenance guys using carts, just getting this thing prepped. Actually got the modified race here tonight. We're going to check out these cool golf carts and utility vehicles they use around the racetrack, and I mean just all over the place. It's crazy how big this place really is. It's funny, I've lived here all my life and never stepped foot on this racetrack, not once, and I finally got to today. You see they traveling all around all the time. Check out the cool pace cars we're going to be using for the next couple of days here when the race pops off. Check them out. There's a few of the carts, a couple of the utilities they use. A lot of maintenance use these big time. This is what I got carried around on just a few minutes ago. And of course they're using some new carts, old carts, some of the old jewels that we see. Here's a 72 volter. Oh, it's beautiful. And that would be an easy go. We got an older model down here. It's just parked up that they check out. Here's our main entry gate for going inside on the grandstands. Getting a little closer to where the drivers and stuff are. Already got some of the stuff being set up over here on the fairground side. Got our local law enforcement hanging around. How you doing, sir?
Hi, good, how are you?
Good, good. Just checking stuff out before y'all get going and kick us out of here.
Oh, you good.
We ain't gonna kick you out long as you don't cross that line.
That's right. Right here's our right here's where they bring in all the trucks and cars and stuff. Like I said, they're setting up for the modified race tonight, guys, and we're actually standing down here in turn 3 and 4. Like I said, here at the crossover gate, it's the famous turn 3 and 4, where our friend there, Ross Chastain, decided to throw it to the wind there and get in the playoffs down the front straightaway. Pretty cool little place. If you've never been to Martinsville Speedway, come check it out, guys. Let's get over here and look at these golf carts. And they see they using them all the time here, back and forth. What's up, guys? All right. And here would be where the drivers would pick up their carts from when they need to use them. Some cool stuff they got in here. These guys work hard to keep everybody good, keep the track going. RFK right there on that one. Roush, Haas, Stuart Haas, colleague. RCR, Hendrick. It's all here. And of course we can zip over here, maybe take a little quick walk down by the driver's area here. I'm gonna get too close. And as you can see, we got golf carts coming in and out of everywhere. Got them going by me. I mean, it's cool how they use them around here the way they do. And I don't want to get too close because I know some of it's restricted, but yeah, in this area back here, most all your drivers have their RV set up, so when they come in and out, they're ready to go. Get some little rest when they need it. Yeah, it's right busy around here today. Got our guys setting up for souvenir and food and all kinds of stuff down in this area here. As I said, this would be you know, the fairgrounds when I think the week before the race they do. Got the stage set up over here for opening ceremonies. Got all these services down here for all kinds of different stuff. Dead on tools is set up back there. And another thing that I was looking at and was shown is on the opposite end of the racetrack, the turn 1 and 2 is where the actual media sets up their stuff at, and they got probably maybe 5 or 10 different styles of carts they're using. Most of them were easy go, but it looked like there was a bunch of other brands in the mix as well. And it's actually pretty cool, and it's kind of weird how they utilize so many golf carts throughout a whole weekend like that with just minimal people. Well, that's about all. That's about all I got access to right now, guys. So we're gonna come over here on Saturday and watch the Xfinity race. So we're gonna have a little more coming at you guys. Y'all have a good one. God bless.
So you've got access now to stuff you both have access to.
Here's our driver carts. Still got some old jewels in there.
And these are the ones that they rent from National.
Gotcha. So this is the ones that the crews and the drivers or anybody really.
No, these are somebody that's working with or for us.
Okay, I got you.
I'm going to show you the others that you want to see.
Yeah.
But we actually own 1, 2, 3, those 4 right there.
Okay. It was a beautiful weekend at the racetrack this weekend. You know, we were originally called over to go check out a cart that the maintenance crew uses for the Speedway, and we got a cool tour to start with. It was a very, very good weekend, but now it has turned off cold here. Of course, I'm in my jacket. Just like that, with the snap of the fingers, it turns off cold. It sucks. But, you know, we're down to the final four. We would like for you guys to comment on here on who you think is going to win this championship if y'all would like to. Be sure y'all are liking these videos for us and subscribing to our channel and hitting that notification bell so you can see all these new videos we put out. Being that it's turning cold, it's going to be a little tough to be finding things to do video worthy on golf carts, because most of the time, you know, it's a seasonal thing. Not for the most part, but I mean it is. So we might slow down a little bit, you know, in the coming month or so, but we're still going to try to get you guys videos out there that we know is going to help you out. But give us your opinion on who's going to win this championship this year. And thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I know I certainly enjoyed the weekend. Thanks again for watching, and God bless you guys.